The Caribbean has always been a place people go to escape. And we found a secret EVH hideaway on the little-known island of Bequia.
It's like a secret place. When you're up here, you feel that the entire place is yours.
Aruba, Jamaica, Bermuda, Bahama, you know the rest. The Caribbean was a vacation destination long before the Beach Boys sang about it. But here's an island that never made the song, Bequia. Located in the southern Caribbean island chain called the Grenadines, Bequia may be the most beautiful island you've never heard of.
It's like going on a time warp when you arrive to Bequia. Yes, it's changing a little, but it's still a fairly sleepy little island. And so for people that are looking for a quiet getaway, it's a very special place to come.
If you're looking for a high-rise hotel near the airport with jet ski rentals and a tiki bar, forget about it. First of all, there's not really an airport, just a sandy landing strip. The best way to get there is by boat. And there are certainly no high-rises or hotel chains, which is why most people who want to vacation in Bequia either rent out a small home or build their own. And that's exactly what Otmar and Sonia Shedley did when they landed on Bequia in the 70s. Or at least, they renovated a lot. Perched high on a hilltop is their 18th century stone plantation house, dubbed simply the Old Fort.
You reach the end of the road and you reach the Old Fort, and it feels like a total little hidden paradise at the end of the road.
Nestled among 28 sprawling acres of tropical gardens and verdant forest, this extreme Caribbean escape is one of the oldest buildings on Bequia, dating back to the 1700s when the French first arrived on the island. The main house has plenty of space to kick back and relax, with 6 bedroom suites, an indoor-outdoor bar, and even a few balconies and hammocks for all the quiet contemplation a vacationer could want. So why is it called the Old Fort?
It wasn't really a military fort, it was rather a stronghold. But my name really was chosen for myself. It's my fort to the world.
One reason this place made such a great stronghold back in the day, the amazing views. You could see the pirates coming long before they got to shore. Pirates aren't a big issue here today, but you can still catch a glimpse of the neighboring Grenadines, stretching out to the south amidst the blue Caribbean seas.
From the Old Fort, you can see Mystique, you can see Union, you can almost, on a clear day, see all the way down to Grenada. It's such a special spot on the island.
Otmar Shedley and his wife Sonia first visited the island during Christmas of 1978. Looking to get off the boat for a few days, they headed inland and made a life-changing discovery.
We hiked across the hills and found the ruins and found this beautiful location. We succeeded in buying the property.
With their dream property secured, the Shedleys went to work fixing things up and found more than they bargained for.
We actually found the real ruins hidden underground.
Once the full extent of the ruins was unearthed, the Shedleys were determined to rebuild the fort, using mostly the original stones. Otmar and a team of a dozen local craftsmen went to work.
To rebuild took the better part of 1 year. Everything by hand. We didn't have electricity up here for the first 6 years. So the entire structure had been rebuilt by hand. Takes a little longer, but it's much more peaceful.
With its cavernous rooms, floor-to-ceiling masonry work, and raw wood beams, the Old Fort is loaded with historic charm. The house preserves many of the fort's original details, like the arched windows and doorways, the spiral stairways, and a grand tower that now houses one of the home's 6 bedroom suites.
I think everyone, certainly every little girl, dreams of living in a stone turret. It's a fairy tale kind of thing.
And recently, the Shedleys, with the help of their son Kieran, have begun sharing the fairy tale with the public.
We do weekly rentals and the rates for the entire property, depending on how many rooms. If you'd like just 6 rooms, for example, the rate is between $8,000 and $12,000. That's per week.
In addition to the fully staffed house, guests get full run of the vast grounds, complete with fruit trees, a guest house built on an ancient sugar mill, and even a gorgeous saltwater swimming pool.
We have hiking trails, and one can hike to one of the nearby unspoiled beaches. One can go down there and be absolutely undisturbed.
And as secluded as it is it any surprise the Old Fort has been attracting some celebrities looking to fly under the radar? No paparazzi here.
The old fort is very hidden away and it's very private. Many celebrities have stayed here over the years, such as MIA and then Arnold Schwarzenegger and Drew Barrymore, who came to spend time here by the pool and just relax and get away.
It's like a secret place. It's almost like no one knows about it. When you're up here, you feel that the entire place is yours.